Hey! Hey, what's up? Gotta show you my new bike. And yeah, this is an edited clip, just so you know. But yeah, here's my bike. Oh yeah. Inner tube is bad. Front forks, kind of rusty. Oh, and somehow they got a little wet. But the top end kit somewhere in there is kind of bad. I can't show the other side. It has private information on the other side, but that'll change soon. Seat's a little dinged up. Summit racing equipment. Another one there. Ooh, polka dots. I'm just messing. I don't like polka dots. You see nothing. You see nothing. Not a thing. My phone says AF at the bottom left corner in the screen. But yeah, that's all I gotta show you for now. See ya.